When a woman chases you, your flaws disappear. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you the 5 easy ways to make women chase you. And here's the reality. Most guys are chasing women because they ultimately wanna have sex with that woman. And she knows women are so smart, they can pick up on thirsty men like as if as if a fly is coming around you or a mosquito, and they can just hear it. They just know, and they don't even see it, but they're like, oh, something's up, and you're thirsty. So keep watching, because number 4 is the one I like the most. And in this video, I'm gonna go over the 5 easy ways you can make women chase you. All right, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kane, I'm the Silver Bachelor. This channel is 100% dedicated to dating advice for older guys. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and a notification button, because I'm dropping a video every day. All right, 5 easy ways to make women chase you. And look, as I mentioned before, when a woman is chasing you, your flaws disappear. And just like when guys chase women, their flaws disappear. But you do not want to be chasing women, because that's what happens. You're going to get yourself into a trap. She's going to start eventually pulling away, and she's going to realize you're not high value. So how do you get women to chase you? All right, let's get into this. So number 1, you stop having limited beliefs about yourself, right? So many of you guys go, oh, I'm not tall enough. Oh, I'm not smart enough. Oh, I'm not rich enough. Oh, I don't have a fancy enough car. Oh, I'm old enough. Oh, I don't have a 6-pack. On and on and on. And it's limiting beliefs. There are a lot of women into a lot of different kind of guys, right? So for example, look, I'm 5'7". I'm bald. And I'm old, okay? I mean, like older, right? I'm not in my 20s, not in my 30s, and I'm not in my 40s anymore. So at the time of recording this video, I am 51. And I am not going to use any of those things that are negative. Like, you have no idea how many women are into me, even at my age now. And even at my height, even though I don't have any hair, right? So you guys are using your limited beliefs by not approaching women. And here's the kicker. I get mostly women 35 and under, 7, 8s, and 9s interested in me, okay? And I go up to them cold, doesn't matter. If I'm feeling it in a moment and I just like what she looks like, boom, I'll go into her. Let me give you a quick example of something. And all right, because I have these other points. I have 4 other points to go through, but let me give you a quick example. One time I saw a woman walking out of my building. Right away, boom, I locked eyes with her and I said, oh, you're cute. And she said, oh, thanks. And then I said, do you live in the building? And she said, no. And then I said, are you single? And she looks at me, she says, I'm very single. And I said, okay, let's exchange Instagram, because I'd like to take you out sometime. She's like, all right. And went on some dates. It's as simple as that. Like, and that's to me though. I'm very, boom, shotgun approach. Like, even in a grocery store, I'll see someone and I might initially so my approach in a grocery store, for example, is I see this hot girl and she's in the aisle. I will make my way close to her and I'll ask her a question, something about, I'm trying to find something. And she says, oh, yeah, I'm not sure where that is. And I'll say, and then I'll compliment something she's wearing or something she has on. I won't compliment her looks. I'll say, look, you have great shoes, by the way. Where'd you get those? And she'll say something like that. And I'll say, I know this is random, but are you single? See what I mean? It just, boom, straight up. And it's been my experience. If she's into me, she will say yes. If she's not into me, maybe it's true. She says she has a boyfriend. And I move on. So number 2 to get a woman to chase you is, don't be nice, be challenging. So if a woman is shit testing you, she's asking you questions, whatever, and she says something that is a little off, I will challenge her on that. Say, oh, okay. So for example, there was an election recently in America with Kamala Harris, Donald Trump, and she might say, so who are you voting for? And I'd say, well, I'm going to vote for who I think is the best candidate. And all of a sudden she's asking you questions, but then you're challenging her beliefs, right? So Instead of agreeing with her all the time, you challenge the things that she says. So that's number 2. And that's why she will start to chase you, because she'll be like, oh, no guy fucking challenges me. Most guys are like, oh, you're so beautiful. So number 3, do not over communicate your interests. And what do I mean by this is, don't text her every single damn day. Don't text her multiple times a day. Don't be saying good morning, good evening, and all this shit. Don't be having long conversations on the phone. Don't be like available both nights during the weekend. So for example, let's say you originally have plans on a Friday and then she cancels and she says, oh, well, can I see you tomorrow? Your answer is no. I said, hey, I would say, even if I don't have plans, I would say, look, I got plans tomorrow, but why don't we try to get together on Sunday or next week? Typically, I give her one chance. And if she cancels the Friday, she's out of my plans for that weekend, and I move it over to next week. And she will chase you because she will know, wait a minute, this guy's not sitting around home and has no plans and has no other options. All right, number 4 is to be curious and ask her questions about herself. So instead of complimenting her when you're on the date or when you first meet her, you're curious. You're like, hey, those are fantastic shoes. Where'd you get those? And you want to get to know her as a person, because so many guys are all over her. You're beautiful, you're gorgeous, oh my God, blah, blah, blah. So if you come along and you're curious and want to know about her as a person, you will stand out and she'll go, oh, that guy's different, and she will start to chase you. And number 5 is being unpredictable. So one time you're going out for food and drink. The other time you're saying, hey, let's go on this roller coaster because let's go to this theme park. Or she texts you a couple times, you get back to her right away. Other times it takes hours to get back to her. You know what I mean? So you don't want to constantly have the same pattern of routine. Women hate routine, and that's one of the reasons why they get bored in marriages. So let me know what you think about this in the comment, and is there anything I've missed and that you would add in terms of how to get women to chase you. So hope you like these 5 easy tips, and let me know what you think in the comments. We'll see you next time.